Hello friends, good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. Today I'll be talking on how to earn with IPC, how to make money with IPC, best time to earn from IPC. Recover your money now. IPC is also known as Intelligence Prime Capital. Initially, they deals with forex trading, but due to some unforeseen circumstances that befell the company around the months of March and April 2022, it's led to the change in now they are into cryptocurrency. So I will be giving you the latest update on how to recover your money in this video and why is it the best time for you to earn in IPC. So just stay tuned and watch the video to the very end so that you can know how to go about with this. But before I go further, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic BIZZTALK. Alright, Lasogenic BIZZTALK is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment, on how to make money online, how to be financially secured, free and settled. Alright, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, or if you are yet to do that, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually aware of the next update. And if after you have watched this video you found it to be very meaningful and useful, please don't forget and don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. All right, so I also want you to know that this channel is created for financial education and it's not for financial advice. So any of the content here, they are my own personal decision after my own due diligence research. So you too, you are expected to do your own due diligence to check if it is what you can give a try, if it is what you can afford in case of anything that might happen. So it's a personal decision to take because you need to be responsible for your action. But I'm not trying to scare you, but this is just the facts that I need to let you know, because I personally have been making money through this means, and anything that comes out of it, I need to be responsible for my action. All right, so quickly let me take you to the business of the day. We are talking on how to earn with IPC, best time to earn from IPC. So quickly let me take you to the IPCLOUD app. For those of you that are yet to know, that are new to IPC, IPC is a forex trading company, but they changed from forex trading to cryptocurrency, and now they have cryptocurrency like they have the IUSD, which consists of the money that was stocked there, that was from the initial plan, which was the forex trading. And also right now they are into mining of another token, which is IPC token. So this is the app here. So I'm going to drop in the link in the description box of this video, the link to get registered and to start mining IPC token. All right, this is the app here. All right, so let me go into it. Okay, so let's wait for it to refresh. Let's wait for it to refresh. Okay, so while we are waiting, for those of us that are already mining IPC token, we discovered that lately the price of IPC tokens it was dropping continuously. I think it fell from 40 cents to around 1 cent now. So it fell greatly. So that is one of the characteristic, or that is one of the features of cryptocurrency. They are very volatile in nature, which means that they can appreciate in price and they can depreciate in price based on the demand and supply of the coin. And as we all know that generally the cryptocurrency market is experiencing a bearish run. So it will surely affect every coin, it will surely affect every cryptocurrency. Okay, but one thing about this is that when you are mining IPC token, now see right now the price is 0.01. It fell by 53.9% in the last 24 hours. So if you are into IPC token, you are safe because you are being paid in USDT, and the USDT you'll be given the equivalent amount in IPC token. For instance, now let me show you my IPC record. I am getting 0.3% of $500 every day, which is I'm getting something like $1.8 every day. And initially, when the coin was very stable, I'm getting around 6 IPC, sometimes 5, with some decimal values of IPC on daily basis. But today I received 105.9. Yesterday I received 88, and some days back I received 36. So you'll be given the IPC token based on the current price. Though the price is falling now and we are still in loss, but you'll be given the token based on your current price. And when the price increase in value also, then you will surely be in full profit. So you don't need to panic. You don't need to panic. You don't need to panic about the fall in price of IPC token. You don't need to panic at all. So this is the best time for you to even join if you are yet to join IPC token platform. So this is the best time for you to join. So how will you join? The first thing that you need to do is to create your account. If you are an existing user, then you just need your email, your email that you are using in the former platform. Then you are going to log in using the default password 123456. But if you are a new user, you just need to download the app. Don't worry, I get you covered. Just check the description box of this video and we'll send you the link to download the app from the reliable source. And I will also send you the activation code so that your account can be activated and you start mining this IPC token. So what do you need to do after that is that you need to deposit USDT, the minimum of 100 USDT. So you just need to come down to click on discover. When you click on discover, you click on IPC mining. When you click on IPC mining, then you input your email address. You activate. You input your email address and click on allow. Click on allow. You can see you are earning between 300 to 500% on daily basis. 300 to 500% on daily basis. Click on buy now. So after you have successfully deposited 100 USDT, then you just need to input it here. You input 100 USDT and then you click on agree, and you click on this place it will display blue. Then you click on activate. So but for those of you that have money in IUSD before, when you deposit on and you are going to make in total, you will make 500% of the total capital. You make 500% of the total capital, and you will now be getting it 0.3%. You'll be getting 0.3% on daily basis until you have your full money in IPC. So you can now convert it to USDT on daily basis, then you can withdraw it out. So it's as easy as that. So this is the best time for you to come into IPC token mining so that you can make money online in cryptocurrency. Okay, you have it. And one other thing is that you need to do is that you need to click on me here and you need to click on sign in every day so that they can increase your CP. So the more your CP, the more the level you are, and it will increase your mining rate. It will increase your mining rate. So you can see that right now I'm in level 2. It's courtesy of the CP that I do click on. I'm now in level 2. So when I get to level 3, my mining rate will also increase, and then my percentage on my referral bonus and community reward will also increase. So that is the essence of the CP. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.